Finding profitable products to sell online is one of the biggest challenges for Amazon e-commerce sellers. Research takes time, suppliers can be unreliable, and identifying products with real sales potential is difficult without the right data. In this video, I'm going to show you how E&E helps solve these problems. We'll cover what E&E is, how to set up your account, how to identify winning products, how to check eligibility and pricing, and finally, how to place your order. So what is E&E? E&E is a product sourcing platform designed for e-commerce and marketplace sellers. The platform gives sellers access to hundreds of vetted suppliers and millions of products, alongside marketplace data that helps identify products with real sales potential. Instead of manually contacting wholesalers or searching through spreadsheets, E&E centralizes the sourcing process into one platform. There are several key benefits to using E&E. Firstly, access to over 300 vetted suppliers. You can see on the left-hand side, E&E has a wide product catalog and a great range of different categories. For example, here we can see on the right-hand side, there's a calculator, door handle, and a drill bit. So there's a great range of products on E&E. It's difficult to access these products if you have to contact each supplier directly. One of the fastest ways of growing your e-commerce business is by expanding your product catalog. E&E helps you discover new products quickly, allowing you to test and scale additional inventory opportunities without spending weeks sourcing manually. E&E also allows you to access marketplace and product data all in one place. If we go into a product and scroll down, we can see that the platform provides valuable product data to support purchasing decisions. This includes retail pricing, the Amazon sales rank data, trending products, marketplace demand indicators, and margin opportunities. Rather than guessing what to sell, you can use real marketplace signals to make more informed sourcing decisions. Let's just take a look at the product data available for one product in more detail, taking this Adidas product here. At the top here, we can see the retail prices. That's what the prices the products are selling for on the different Amazon platforms. If we go down here, we can see some details on the pricing for products. So these charts give us the pricing on the different Amazon platforms and how they've varied over time. And you can also see a price history at the top over 6 months. Now, obviously from here, at the top here, you know what your price with delivery is, and you can use that to calculate whether this product is profitable or not without having to search directly on the different platforms. Before you can start purchasing on E&E, you need to set up an account. This is really easy. Just simply go to the E&E site, click sign up, fill in the form and confirm, and the company will get back to you shortly with your account details. Now I'm going to cover how you use E&E to find winning products for your e-commerce business. There are a number of ways of identifying winning products on E&E. The first way to find products is by browsing categories. This is useful if you already sell within a particular niche and want to expand your existing catalog. You can filter products by category. For example, on the left-hand side here, you can find apparel and then clothing and then activewear and etc. You've got lots and lots of different categories you can browse through. Once you've found a category, you can narrow your results based on pricing, margins, popularity, or other marketplace indicators. You can also do a keyword search from the top. You can enter a brand name, or product name, or an EAN to search. So let's just say I want to search for iPhone. It'll bring me up any products that match that keyword. And we can see at the bottom here's a lot of iPhone-related products. And in the quick view, we can see pricing, retail pricing, and stock availability. If we look at on the left-hand menu here, we've got hot deals. The hot deal section highlighting products with particularly strong resale potential. Products in this category are optimized for marketplace sellers and typically offer better margins, strong demand, and competitive pricing opportunities. This is often one of the fastest ways of identifying products worth reviewing. So we can see here that there is a range of different products. Gives us the retail price on the right-hand side here. If we want to see more details about a product, we can of course see it on Amazon. If we copy the products, either the EAN, which is the barcode, or better, the ASIN, which is Amazon's standard identification number. If we copy that and we search for that ASIN on Amazon, there we can find the products and we can see the price on this particular marketplace and actually see more details about the product as well, including the number of sellers. We can see here at the moment there's 2 sellers of this product and the cheapest is $55.24. We can also get this information directly from E&E. We can see the retail prices on the different platform here. Secondly, trending products. We click on that on the left-hand side. Trending products section identifies products experiencing increased purchasing activity over the last 7 days. This can help sellers spot emerging demand before products become saturated. Monitoring trends regularly also helps with seasonal opportunities on fast-moving categories. You can also upload a list of EANs. If you already have a list of products you want to research, you can upload EANs directly into E&E. This is particularly useful for bulk analysis, existing supplier catalogs, or competitor product research. So if you've already got a list of products that you've identified that you want to sell, and you have the barcodes for those products, you can just upload them into E&E here, and it'll give you a list of products. To find products by EANs, first make a list of EANs in Notepad or similar. Go to the Upload EAN list, paste your EANs in there, click Upload, and you will see the results for those EANs if available. Full results this time. We can then search by brand or category, look at stock levels, price ranges, profits, and shipping dates. Before you buy products, it's important to find out if your account is eligible to sell these products. Otherwise, you'll end up with a whole lot of stock you can't sell. This is a very easy process. What you need to do is go into any and copy the ASIN product you want to sell, go onto your Amazon account, and then from the left-hand menu, go to Catalog and then Add Products. It'll give you the opportunity then to search for products. If you go through this process of searching for a product, at this point, it will tell you whether you have the rights in this account to sell this product. If you don't have the rights to sell this product, it will take you through a process where you have to submit some documentation and also some invoices. There is a help section on the Any website which gives details about how to best do this. Once you've identified products you want to purchase, you can place orders directly through the platform. The ordering process is designed to simplify sourcing by centralizing supply communication and purchasing workflows. So if we take one of the products, we can just add it to the basket by pressing the little basket button, at which point the product will appear in our basket. There's a few things to note here. You need to look at the ETA to the warehouse, also the number of available units if you're adding multiple products. Any has a minimum order value. It also has a processing charge under a certain amount. All these details are on the website. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial useful. To find out more about Any, go to eany.io. I'll also put the details in the notes.